today's recipe is for this extremely quick and easy version of the most richest chocolate mousse you have ever tried in your life. It makes the most decadent dessert, and it's only 2 ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so this is a very quick recipe like I was saying. It only has 2 ingredients. The first ingredient is a box of pudding mix. This is such an incredible mousse because not only is this quick to make, but it's very versatile. Use whichever brand of pudding mix you have on hand and whichever flavor you like, vanilla, strawberry, or even lemon mousse, they all turn out incredible. Just follow whatever amount of milk the directions say to add on the back of the box. This brand says 3 cups of milk, so what we're going to be doing is replacing our milk with cold heavy whipping cream. 3 cups is going into the bowl. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I post quick and easy recipes every other day. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on them. This recipe is so fabulous. You can do this by hand with a whisk. All I'm going to be doing is mixing this up until it's fully incorporated in. Then you're gonna pop this into the refrigerator for at least 5 minutes to firm up that pudding a bit. When it's a little bit set, remove it from the fridge, and then you're gonna continue to whisk this on high to really aerate this mixture and get it all nice and light and fluffy. This only takes about a minute or 2, and like I said, it can be done by hand, whipping it very vigorously with your whisk. Once it's done, this is what it looks like. It should be so creamy and delicious looking, and you are ready to serve this up however you like. This makes the most incredible cake filling, which sets up beautifully. You can literally stack layers upon layers of cake without it sliding over. It's also not too sweet, so if you want to enjoy a spoonful or 2 as a quick dessert, it just makes the perfect little treat. And that's it for this quick and easy recipe, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my website for more ideas, all of them always with a unique twist.